Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how you can enable double tap to turn on and off screen on the Samsung Galaxy A26. Now to do that, just open the settings app on your smartphone. From here, just scroll down and tap on advanced features. Now from here, just tap on motions and gestures. Now from here, just enable this toggle to enable double tap to turn on your screen. And also you can enable this toggle to enable double tap to turn off your screen. Now, once you enable both of these toggles, now if you double tap on the home screen, you can turn off your smartphone. And if you double tap your smartphone while it is off, you can turn on your smartphone. Just like that. And this is how you can enable double tap to turn on and off screen on the Samsung Galaxy A26. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.